Let's learn how to enter and exit a trade. First things first, open up your MT4 app. You will see this screen. This is your quote screen. You know this as in the bottom left-hand corner, it says quotes. Each currency pair is listed along the left-hand side of the screen in black bold type. Currently on the screen, you see 9 currency pairs from EUR USD at the top, all the way down to AUD CAD at the bottom. As you've previously learnt in your IML Academy training, there are more than 9 currency pairs in the foreign exchange market. So how do we access the other pairs? Really simple. In the top right hand corner, go ahead and click on the plus sign. In the search bar, you are able to type in the currency pair you are looking for. For example, I may want to trade GBP JPY, but it isn't on my quote screen. So in the search box, I would type GBP JPY or even just GBP to bring up all the pairs that are associated with the Great British Pound. Once you can spot the pair you're looking for from the list, click on the green plus located next to the pair. The pair will disappear and reappear on your quote screen. Press the back arrow to locate it. Now we are going to use our Team Alerts app to find a trade that we can enter now. Open the Team Alerts app and go to News and Trade Alerts located in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Click here to bring up all the latest news and trade alerts. Once you click on a trade alert, this is what it looks like. You are given an instruction. The instruction we see on our screen here is buy GBP JPY now. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Open your MT4 app and locate GBP JPY from the list on your quote screen. Here you can see it's at the bottom. Tap and hold the currency pair until some options pop up. You will see Trade, Chart, Details and Cancel. Go ahead and click on Trade. This takes you to the trade screen. At the top of the screen, make sure the same currency pair that you selected, which was GBP JPY, is displayed. On the next line, you're looking for market execution or instant execution to be displayed, and a number separated by a decimal point. This number is your lot size. That determines how many lots you are going to trade. Be sure you have completed your Basic 2 IML Academy training to have a full understanding of what are leverages and lot sizes. Today, for this example, I'm going to use a mini lot, 0.10. To change your lot size, click on the number in black bold type directly underneath Instant Execution. When the keypad pops up, use your backspace and your keys to type in the lot size you desire. As stated, today I'm going to trade a 0.10 lot. So in the space I've typed 0.10. We are now ready to enter this trade. We can enter into a buy or we can enter into a sell. Remember what the trade alert instruction said, which was the source for this trade. The trade alert we got from our Team app said buy GBP JPY now. So let's press buy. Great, you have successfully entered a trade. All of your active trades are located on the trade screen. You know that this is the trade screen because at the bottom it says trade. All of your trades start off red. This is because your broker has to make the money off the top. Once your trade reaches the blue amount that you desire, you can go ahead and close it out. To do this, tap and hold on the trade to bring up the options. As you can see, there are 4 options: close, modify, trade, and chart. Go ahead and click on close. This is the last screen you will see before your trade is closed out. At the bottom, the orange banner states close with profit. If you wish to close the deal at this amount, go ahead and click on the banner. Great! You have successfully exited the trade. To view this trade now and all your other trade receipts, go ahead and click on History. Here is where a record is kept of all the trades that you have exited successfully to date. You can use this information to start completing a trade journal. I'm so proud of you! You now know how to enter and exit a trade.